Hey guys, we have some news about some stuff that's happening, so let's go figure out what it is. Oh, Miss Lydia.
Hi everyone. So tomorrow's Spine Center is having a well-med open house from 123. Anybody who wants to come see Spine Center in the building, we would love to show you guys. Come and say hello and have a drink and have a cookie.
Come over tomorrow here at Spine Center. We'll be having an open house from 123 and we're very excited about it. Come and visit us.
It's going to be crazy. Come by. If you have any questions, you can ask us questions in person. But we would love to see you. Come see our new place. Did you tell them it's like for everybody and not just, okay?
You're going to know.
Everybody. Everybody.